Hi guys, today's topic is very important and very important. The people, why don't they do FUE mostly in women? My objective is the same. My opinion is the same. I don't want to do FUE to the women. There is a very strong reason because in FUE we are actually producing thinning on back of the head. If we're gonna take 2000 grafts from back of the head, we are actually producing thinning of 2000 grafts on back of the head, and we are reducing the strength of ponytail, you know. And in women, they're very much interested in having a strong ponytail on back of the head. So the FUT is automatically a best choice for doing hair restoration surgery and hair transplant in female patients especially. And this is my objective. And even then, if you are doing some smaller surgeries like 500 grafts or 600 grafts, then you can go for FUE procedure in female hair transplant surgery, and you can take from even in that case you can take from little bit sides, 250 on this side, 250 on this side, but sparing the central ponytail area. But I don't want to ruin that a strong ponytail area in women, because this ponytail will support her for the whole life, and she has been very much interested in having a strong bulky ponytail every time in her life. So don't ruin that. This is my idea. Maybe I'm wrong side, but this is best idea to save ponytail for women in the whole life, because you see it is very important for the women in styling the hair and everywhere. They put hair on this side, they put hair on this side. Most of them they do on parties do 2 ponytails and 3 ponytails and braidings and many things they're gonna do with the help of that strong ponytail. Don't ruin that. Thank you very much.